Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Welcome to all. Today topic is most important for upcoming all competitive examinations and India rise in Global Innovation Index 2021 jumped 35 places from 81 to 46 in just 6 years. And in India also increasing the innovation index. What is the meaning of innovation index? About objectives, indication, types, and also the types of income of a global and Indian perspective is today topic and subtopic. Let's start in this class.
धर कर माथा सो गए अमर बलिदानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा संगीन
Let's start in this class and most important with my own handmade note. Global Innovation Index 2021 released recently. The Global Innovation Index GII, the full form of the Global Innovation Index 2021 has been released. What is the meaning of the Global Innovation Index 2021? Innovation Index. Innovation to existing technology to use to create new innovation area or instrument as well as industrial development, etc. This is called Global Innovation Index. About published by which organization? Published by Global Innovation Index, published by the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO. It is the most important for examination perspective. Question is arising in similarity types. Which organization is released Global Innovation Index? Please note down in this question and answer is note down intellectual property organizations, World Intellectual Property Organizations in this correct answer. In partnership with the Portuguese institutions and with the support of cooperation network partners to release Innovation Index 2021 help of various industry and cooperation network partners such as Portuguese institution be support to release Global Innovation Index 2021. About in one question rising, please note down your note. Which organizations released Global Innovation Index 2021? Answer is the intellectual property organizations. Okay, global intellectual property innovation to mark down in these organizations. Second objective of this innovation, the index ranked 132 world's economics according to their innovation capabilities. Question is arising upcoming examination. Please note down second question. How many countries to participate world economics according their innovation capacity to release Global Innovation Index? Answer is 132 great and almost all countries of the world. जदि आमे कहिबा कि ग्लोबल इनोवेशन इंडेक्स केतोटी कंट्री को नहीं यार रिपोर्ट को जारी करे तेबे यार आंसर आसीबो 132 कंट्रीज एंड इंडिकेटर्स indicators means काहू को नहीं क्यों कैपेसिटी को नहीं क्यों इंडिकेटर को नहीं सी चूज करे कि यही देश गुड इनकम रे अच्छी यही देश अपर इनकम रे अच्छी यही देश लोअर इनकम रे अच्छी एवं यही देश लो इनकम रे अच्छी रैंकिंग केमिति करे तार पारासीट कौन द इंडेक्स ranks world economics according to their innovation capacities मन रखु ए इनोवेशन कैपेसिटी को बेस करके ग्लोबल इनोवेशन इंडेक्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ ग्लोबल एंड पार्टनरशिप विथ द Portuguese institution and cooperation of various worker partners to release Global Innovation Index 2021 and consists of roughly 80 indicators. 80 indicators means to understand गोटे भल पिला बाछापी आम जमी एग्जाम करती टेस्ट करती बिहेवियर चूज करती सेमती यही सब एग्जाम्पल हो इंडिकेटर्स से क्यों इंडिकेटर्स देखिकी चूज करे कि यही देश एति नंबर रैंक रहा उचित ग्रुप्ड टू देयर इनोवेशन इनपुट एंड आउटपुट तो इनपुट केते केते से इन्वेस्टमेंट करिछि केते लाभवान पाइछि केते प्रॉफिट पाइछि केते ग्रोथ करिछि केते डेवलपमेंट करिछि एंड इकोनॉमिक एनालिसिस जीडीपी आल्सो suppose your domestic production to include the indicator list to release Global Innovation Index 2021. Let's start in next slide. Types of innovation. Two types on innovation. जदि आम देखा केवल दुई प्रकार टाइप हो पार इनोवेशन ले गोटे हूँ इनपुट इनोवेशन और इनोवेशन इनपुट इनोवेशन आउटपुट प्लीज नोट डाउन इन दिस मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन टू अराइजिंग how many types of innovation to release Global Innovation Index 2021. Two types of innovation input and innovation output. Innovation input includes institutions, human capital and research and infrastructure, market sophistication, business sophistication, etc. to include innovation input. Input means investment. Innovation output means to output means growth, development, profit, etc. in these perspectives to include knowledge, technology, creatives output and also technology outputs. Clear in these questions. Question is arising in this type. Industry, which type of innovation? Input, output. Input is correct answer. In this parasite or indicators to understand betterly, so memorizing your mind. Innovation input, which list, and innovation output, which list. Innovation output again revise knowledge, technology, creatives output and also technology outputs. And to next slide, 5 types of income in global perspectives. One is high income, example Switzerland and USA. To achieve first rank of Global Innovation Index, Switzerland is also the highest rank in the Global Innovation Index in 5 year and 6 year. लगातार भाव में 5 ରୁ 6 वर्ष भाव में लगातार भाव में स्विट्जरलैंड यूएसए निजर फास्ट रैंक को बजाय रखिछन्ति. देन चाइना, then Bulgaria, then India, then Kazakhstan, then Malawi. So in this country, to separate various income in global level, high income level, example Switzerland and USA, upper medium income China and Bulgaria, and third is lower medium income our India and also Pakistan, to include lower medium income because India is a developing country, not a developed country or underdeveloped country. It is a medium. So lower medium income, not upper medium income. Upper medium income also including developed country, also China. So, low income Kazakhstan, Malawi is the low income country of the world to release Global Innovation Index 2021. ଏମିତି question ଆସିପାରେ India also place in which income of a global level. The correct answer is lower median income. लोयर मीडियम इनकम रे आम भारतर स्थान अच्छी सेपरी भाव में आम जदि देखा इंडिया पर्सपेक्टिव रे इंडिया केते नंबर रैंक रे अच्छी इंडिया अचीव्ड which place of global innovation index 2021 India in this index 2021. Most important point, India has been ranked 46th most important in the upcoming examination, 46 in the GII means Global Innovation Index 2021, but India was placed 48 2022. 2020 ମସିହାରେ इंडिया 48 नंबर स्थान रे थिला वर्तमान 2021 ले इंडिया दुईटी प्लेस को जंप करिछि जहाँ अचीव करिछि 46 नंबर रैंक को. नेक्स्ट इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट इज इंडिया हैज बीन ऑन ए राइजिंग trajectory over the past several years in this index from a rank of 81 in 2015 to 46 in the 2021. 2015 ମସିହାରେ ଭାରତ 81 ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଥିଲା ବେଳେ ଏହି 6 ବର୍ଷ ମଧ୍ୟରେ इंडिया तार इनोवेशन क्षेत्र में बहुत सारा डेवलपमेंट करिछि उन्नति आनिछि सेतिपाई ग्लोबल इनोवेशन इंडेक्स 2021 ले इंडिया 6 वर्ष मध्यरे जंप करिछि 46 नंबर को. सो ग्रेजुअली इंडिया इज ग्रोथ इनोवेशन एरिया एंड डेवलप्स ऑफ innovators. So class is completed and 5 important questions arising in this perspective global innovation index. Please like and share to share other friends for preparing all competitive examination in this index is most important and 5 question is arising in upcoming examination. Thank you so much to all for completely watching in the sessions of important for examination perspective. The last slogan of my own heart, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.